Need to rename your Unity project in seconds without breaking anything? This is the fastest and safest way to do it. First, open Unity Hub and find your project folder by click on three dots button, then reveal project folder. Then, make sure your Unity project and Unity Hub are completely closed. Renaming while Unity is open can cause errors. Now open your File Explorer. Locate your Unity project folder. This is the folder that contains assets, project settings, and packages. Simply rename this folder to your new project name. Open Unity Hub. If the project disappears, you can safely remove old project from list. And then click Add, browse to renamed folder and select it. Once the project opens, go to Edit Project Settings Player. Under Product Name, change the name. This is what shows in builds and executables. Change company name if necessary. If you're using version control like Git, commit the rename so everything stays clean and tracked. And that's it. Your Unity project is renamed safely and correctly. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and check out my other Unity quick tips.